So about 2 months ago, I asked my friend Micheal Harrington if he wanted to do a bike trip this summer. The plan was to take county roads from West Bend to Grafton, the interurban trail to Kohler Andre State Park, bike back west to Fond du Lac, and then take the Eisenbahn Trail south to West Bend. So we gathered our gear and waited for the weather. Until... So I made a really rookie mistake last night. We got in at 2 or 3, left some stuff out on the table. I was very tired. I was just like, nobody's gonna steal it. Like I said, rookie mistake. That was supposed to be dinner last night and breakfast today. It looks so good too. Live and learn.